Welcome to our math class. Today we'll be solving this exciting question. Now, looking at this question, we are going to utilize the indices approach, and we are starting from the last root value here, then we move to this, then to this, then we proceed here. And the same thing will be done to the denominator as well. Now, doing this, here we have root, the fifth root, which is the general root of 31 plus the sixth root of 10 minus the root of 83 minus the square root of 4. You agree with me that it's the same as what? 2. Okay, so here we have all this squared over, we have the cube root. Here you agree with me that the sixth root, when in the rule of log indices, when we have cube root of 2 is the same as 2 raised to power 1 over 3. Okay, so here we have these as what? 2 raised to power 9 times 1 over 6. Okay, everything raised to power 4. And here we have the sixth root of 2 raised to power 9 times 1 over 3, which is the cube root, all raised to power what? 4. So doing this now, we've done this. What we just need to do is to subtract these values. And by doing that, we have that the fifth root of 31 plus the sixth root of 10 minus the square root of 83 minus 2 will surely give us what? 81. Okay, so that means the numerator is gradually decreasing. And here we have that we have the cube root in this 3 here 2, 3 here 3. Okay, here we have 3 here 1, 3 here 3 as well. So here we have raised to power 3 over 2 times the power here, which is the 4, times 4. Okay, and times we see of 2 raised to power what? 3 times what? Times 4. So we have 2 raised to power 3 times 4. Root of 31 plus the sixth root of 10 minus the square root of 81 is what? 9. Everything all squared. Divided by, here we have 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Okay, we have the cube root of 2 raised to power, here we are left with 3 times 2, which is 6. Dot the sixth root of 2 raised to power 12, okay, which is 3 times 4. So now we still have the fifth root of 31 plus the sixth root of 10 minus 9 gives 1 over 2 raised to power 6 times 1 over 3. The cube root of this gives the power of 1 over 3 times 2 raised to power 12 times 1 over 6. Okay, now proceeding to the next line here. Here we have the fifth root to be 31 plus sixth root of 1 is 1. Okay, even 100th root of 1 will surely be 1. So over, from this previous value here, we have 3 here 1, 3 here 2, we have 2 raised to power 2, 6 here 1, 6 here 2, we have 2 raised to power 2. So here we have 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so the fifth root, 31 plus 1 gives 32. All over 2 raised to power 2 plus 2. Don't forget the law of indices. Okay, don't forget the law of indices. So with this, 32 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 5, okay? And this is what? 1 over 5 over 2 raised to power 4. So we have 5 here 1, 5 here 1, okay? We have 2 raised to power 1 over 2 raised to power what? 2 raised to power 4. But don't forget that this is being squared. Okay, don't forget this squared. Don't forget the square. We have it squared. We have them squared. And here we have it squared. Okay, so here we have 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 4. And here we have 2 raised to power 2 minus 4, the law of indices as well. Finally, we have 2 raised to power minus 2. You can leave your answer like this, or you say 1 over 2 raised to power 2, which is equivalent to 1 over 4. Okay, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next time.